Hi, thank you for joining Fortress. As a new member, there are just a few things that I would like to talk to you about to help you get started and make sure you know everything you need to do to grow your Fortress business. But before I do that, let me just reiterate to you what Fortress is, just in case when you came in, someone didn't explain it to you properly. First of all, what Fortress is not is a multi-level marketing company. Fortress is not MLM, nor is it network marketing. Fortress is a first of its kind social referral network. In layman's words, we're simply a membership club. A membership club where you can invite family and friends and earn a few dollars along the way. So there are a few things that you can do when you get in Fortress. I'm sure you've heard you can upload and market your own products. You can earn commissions off of products that are already on the site. And you can earn a referral just from inviting people into the network. Because you are helping us grow our Fortress family, we are compensating you. We're doing something that no other membership club is doing. Of course, there are membership clubs that will give you a $5 one-time bonus if you bring somebody into the network. And then banks may give you a toaster or a microwave. But with Fortress, you can actually earn a residual income because you are helping us build our network. So what should you do when you get involved in Fortress? One of the first things you should do is familiarize yourself with your back office. This is your hub. This is where you will monitor your business. You can check your commissions. You can check your sales. You can even get assistance in growing your business. You have a folder in your back office called Library. In the library, you will find member tools, which will be other videos to help you get started. You will have videos to help you to promote your business. And you will also have documents that you can read just in case you want to brush up on knowing more about Fortress, such as learning the commission structure, things like that. So as long as you enter Fortress with a positive mind and knowing the things that I just told you, one, it's not network marketing or MLM. Two, it is not a pyramid scheme. Now let's talk about that for a second. What is a pyramid scheme? A lot of people often just like to spurt that out. It's a pyramid scheme, but they actually don't know what a pyramid scheme is. A lot of times, they're actually thinking about a Ponzi scheme, which Fortress is not that either. A Ponzi scheme is when someone creates a business or a fake business and sell this concept to other people and collect money from a business that does not exist. In other words, it's fake. It's phony. That's a Ponzi scheme. And what is a pyramid scheme? That is a company that only has recruitment and don't give its members any value for their $10. With Fortress, we give you great value for your $10, and we're going to go over that in just a little bit. But also, Fortress has over 1,000 products that you can earn commissions off of. Now, selling is not mandatory. It is completely optional. But if you choose to, you can build a business by simply selling products and earning commissions off of those products. And if you have your own product, you get to retain 100% of your asking price. So in other words, if you have a product and you tell Fortress you want $20 for that product, when Fortress sells that product, you're going to get $20. It's simple as that. So imagine that. Look at what you get for $10 a month. One, you get your own replicated website. Two, you get a back office where you can monitor your business. Three, you get to sell and promote your own products and retain 100% of your asking price. Four, you get to earn commissions off of products that are already on the Fortress site. So when other members upload and sell products, you get to earn commissions off of their products and the products that Fortress provides. Five, you get to save up to 25% on products on the Fortress website. Six, you get to earn a residual income from simply inviting people into the network. And now seven, we keep adding things. We now have a classified site where you can upload and sell your products through our classified site the same way you would on OfferUp, LetGo, or Facebook Marketplace. So does that sound like a pyramid scheme to you? You get great value for your $10. If you never invited anybody into Fortress, and we don't suggest you do that at all, but if you didn't, you still have a tremendous value for your membership fee. Look at some of the other things that some of these other clubs give you for their membership fees. Most of the times, they let you buy in bulk and get a few dollars off. But who is paying you? With Fortress, we decided we wanted to share the wealth with the people who help the network grow. So, now that we've gotten that out of the way, what do you want to do to get started in Fortress? What are the first steps you should take? One, we've already mentioned that you should familiarize yourself with your back office. Just poke around back there. You can't mess anything up. Click on every button until you know exactly what every button does. Two, keep a positive mental attitude. Don't get frustrated if you can't get going right away. Fortress is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You know, you think about it, how much time do you give your job on a daily basis? How long have you been on your job? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, some of you 30 years, some of you 40 years. That's the commitment that you gave your job. What if you gave Fortress a tenth of that commitment? What could happen for you? So what you have to do is just keep a cool, calm mental attitude. Just move at your pace and it will happen for you. The very next thing you need to do is look for 3 like-minded individuals. If you're still watching this video at this point, that means you have a keen interest in trying to make something happen for yourself. So what you want is you want to find other people who are looking to do the same thing for themselves and their families. You do not want people who are negative, people who are going to talk down on everything, people who know everything but have done nothing. You want to find people like you because you are like me. And we are building this network on like-minded individuals. So there's no steep learning curve with Fortress. You don't have to jump through hoops. You don't have to go out and buy new domains. You don't have to go to GoDaddy or Bluehost or any of these other services to try to get landing pages or all of these other things. Fortress gives you everything you need to succeed. And then with that, you also get great customer service because you get to speak with the leaders. You get to speak with people who have done it, people who are doing it, people who want to help you, people who are vested into seeing that this company grows. So once again, I am going to welcome you to Fortress. I am glad to have you as a family member. You will be hearing from me frequently. You will hear from different leaders because we're constantly reaching out to people to let you know what we're doing. We're constantly adding things, trying to find more ways to give you even more. Just a few months ago, I could only mention 3 or 4 things that we had to offer you. Now I just mentioned 7. So now we're going to constantly keep looking for things to add to the network. As a matter of fact, there's some good things coming down the pipeline over the next few weeks. I will leave that up to me to decide when we're going to roll out those new things. But once again, we have something that we're adding to the network to make everything better for you. So once again, thank you for becoming a Fortress family member. And I look forward to meeting and seeing all of you soon. Good night.